what does a chiropractic adjustment actually do for your body? Ever wonder what really happens during a chiropractic adjustment? Living with joint restrictions means your body compensates, creating tension, altered movement patterns, and chronic pain signals that keep you stuck in discomfort until the joint is. But when a chiropractic adjustment applies controlled force, it creates an immediate biomechanical shift. Joints cavitate, range of motion increases, and research confirms that mechanoreceptors activated during adjustment inhibit nociceptive pain signals, validating pain gate theory and explaining why many patients feel immediate relief after just one session. Experience increased pain-free range of motion immediately after adjustment. Your joints move more freely, muscle tension decreases, and your body enters a state. Over hours and days, the adjustment triggers longer-term adaptations, improved muscle tone, enhanced proprioception, and tissue healing, supporting lasting relief and better movement without drugs or surgery. Choose evidence-based chiropractic care that works with your body's natural mechanisms, not against them. Experience drug-free relief, improved mobility, and long-term musculoskeletal health with the chiropractor. Your body reclaims its natural movement after an adjustment. Joints unlock, tension releases, and motion flows freely again. Studies show 83% of patients report improved range of motion within just one session, proof that targeted adjustments create measurable biomechanical change fast. As one athlete put it, "After my adjustment, I felt like my body remembered how to move, no stiffness, no compensation, just pure, unlocked motion." That's the beyond the pop, real change happens. Mechanoreceptors fire, pain signals quiet, and your nervous system recalibrates, validated by 2026 neurology research on spinal manipulation. Worry it's just a temporary fix. Without care, pain returns, muscles tighten, movement stays restricted. Healing accelerates when movement is restored. Tissue gets better circulation, inflammation drops, and your body shifts from protection mode to repair mode naturally. See the difference? Restricted joints create compensatory strain across shoulders, hips, and legs. After adjustment, alignment improves, reducing strain and letting muscles work efficiently again. Ready to move better? Book your assessment, experience a personalized adjustment, and follow your corrective plan, because lasting relief starts with understanding your body's needs. Research confirms that 83% of patients experience improved range of motion shortly after a chiropractic adjustment, as the body begins to restore natural movement patterns. And as one athlete shared, "After my adjustment, I felt like my body finally remembered how to move, tension released, motion restored, and I could train again without." The chiropractor delivers evidence-based care through spinal adjustments, soft tissue therapy, and corrective exercises, helping patients recover faster and move better with personalized. Check out the link in the description to learn more. If you found this helpful, the chiropractor has everything you need, from expert advice to top-quality products that deliver real results every time.